Today, I'll walk you through how to move, duplicate, save, and delete sections in your Elementor editor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your sections efficiently so you can enhance your web design workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens. Simply navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select the page you wish to edit. Then click on Edit with Elementor. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same visual cue. Once you're in the Elementor editor, locate the section you want to manipulate. To move a section, click and hold the six-dot icon in the middle of the handle bar. This icon is your control center for moving sections around. Think of it like grabbing a piece of furniture to rearrange your living room. It gives you the flexibility to create the layout you desire visual cue. Now if you want to duplicate that section, simply right-click the same six-dot icon. A menu will pop up and from there you can select Duplicate. This is a great way to create a copy of a section without having to recreate it from scratch. Imagine it as making a photocopy of a document. It saves you time and effort visual cue. Next, let's discuss saving your changes. After making adjustments, look for the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Clicking this will save all your modifications. It's like hitting the Save button on a Word document. You want to ensure your hard work isn't lost visual cue. Finally, if you need to delete a section, the process is just as straightforward. Simply click the X icon located at the top right corner of the section you wish to remove. This will quickly delete the section from your page. It's akin to tossing out an old piece of clothing that no longer fits your style visual cue. And there you have it. You now know how to move, duplicate, save, and delete sections in Elementor. These skills will not only streamline your design process, but also enhance the overall look of your website. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.